Today we're going to be doing a video restoring some hammers. There's my hammer collection. Sorry, I'm looking backwards through the camera. But a couple of great, awesome dudes have sent me some hammers. And this has been really the first weekend I can spend the day in the shop. So I've been restoring these hammers. Yeah, I didn't really film them. Just some aftermath and before and kind of after. But then I got a little bit of history of those hammers up there. So sit back, relax, and check out some of these hammers. And something I didn't have in the collection yet, I do now know. I do now. It's a Bonney PF54 striking hammer. This is the Bonney USA PF54 hammer. Originally, it was sent to me from NK Garage. Those guys freaking rock. I cleaned up the face here, or cleaned up the head, because I can't find any, obviously, no replacement pieces that are original, so I try to clean them up as best I could. Yes, it still has some dings and dents, but we're going to keep those because it gives character and proves that this got used. So, I did sand this. Yes, it is fiberglass. I did sand the handle down. And then I did 2 layers of shellac over it. And I took my plastics and kind of clean this rubber handle up, and you can still see some remnants of the plastic, so I'll have to get that before I put it on the wall. Yeah, NK Garage, thank you guys so much. You guys freaking rock. Kirk and Nick are just stellar guys, and yeah, you guys did me good. So we've got this Bonney Hammer that just arrived from a friend of ours. Here's the Bonney Hammer. You can kind of see at the bottom. Someone nailed it together, so we're going to have to pull that apart. We'll clean this up and clean the wood up and put it back together. So off we go. This is just a regular body bump hammer. I had to replace the handle, and yeah, I shellacked it so it's not going to rust. Replaced it with a new old stock handle I found at a thrift store, so it does have some staining on it, but yeah, and this was given to me by a fellow viewer. He said not to make a video of it, but thanks, Big Vic. You rock, man. So I figure while I'm going through this, what I like to do is show you some of the catalogs. So we've got this beautiful Utica Bonney catalog. Hammers, 77 to 79. So here we have G, soft-faced hammer, fiberglass handle, tough replaceable plastic tip, protects parts from damage. A PF 54 is 2 pounds. Here we go. You can get the replacement tips, and you can even get replacement fiberglass handles. Wouldn't it be awesome to find some of this? Who doesn't love an old catalog? Let's dive into this catalog. 1965. Hammers. They didn't have the soft blow they had was the PH 15, 17, 18, 20, and 21 only. I only have the PH 17. Made in the USA, Bonney. Let's look at our body hammers. And you can see the PH 26. It's missing that telltale utility pick hammer. So, kind of close, but not perfect. Here's what it appears that somebody cut the tip off. Kellogg 60, 1960. Okay, body hammers. Long pick. Long pick. It looks like someone cut that tip off. But this is a PH 31 long tip. So then you have your PH 26 and a PH 26 without the tip. So we've got this Bonney with the original handle. You can see the little bit of the sticker. So we got here is the ding hammer, PH 24, both round tips. And then let's use our Bonney tape measure. 4 3/16, so that would be our PH 22. This one should be 6 inches, and it is. We've got the PH 27, the upholster's basically a tack hammer. So over here, we did look at the soft faced little hammer, but two separate examples of ball peen. So let's measure the head length. So this is about 4 7/8. So a pH 10, which is a 16. And then this one is about 4.5. So this is a 16 as well. Just, or pH 9. So I like to shout out to all the cool people that have donated hammers to me over the years. I don't know, it's hard to find some of these in the wild. Big Vic, thank you. It's like a hammer palooza. Hammer time. Do, 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 do. Nick, Kirk, thank you. So that's my Bonney Hammers. Hey everybody, what do you guys think of those hammers I've got? I know I've got a long ways to go to collect some more hammers. I'm tickled. Thank you, Big Vic, and thank you, NK Garage, for the donations. I'm currently working on the shop, so that's a big thing going on right now. I've got a lot of tools, and if you guys want, I was thinking about going through some of my Bonney tools and vintage catalogs and kind of showing you guys different things. If you like that, let me know in the comments below, and I'll get to working on that. I got a lot of Bonney stuff that needs to be restored, so I really need to focus on that this winter, along with whatever else little trinkets I find. So hopefully you enjoyed this, and as always, stay safe, and we will check you later.